Good morning, everyone. Welcome to A Day in the Life of, where today we go to the beach. One bag to contain it all. Just kidding, gotta pack lunch too. Oopsie doodle, going in this bag. Going through a channel, gotta hold our breath. Working on that beach time. Okay, seriously, this solar panel charger with two USB ports is easily one of the best things I've ever purchased, because this thing is charging the fuck out of my phone as I film this and as I chill at the beach. It was only fucking $45, and now my picnic game is on fleek. And here we are at Stinson Beach, having so much fun and drinking all the wine and digging my feet into the sand, and it is glorious. To be at the beach all day and then have to drive through this again. Is your nausea better?
5 hours later.
Does not be ticks. This road is never ending. And now I am finally back home, relaxing in my bed. So tired from swimming. I was in there easily about an hour and a half. Just swimming, crashing in the waves, floating like a little otter. It was a lot of fun. I'm so tired. Just had some delicious Oreo boba for the first time. I thought it was neat. And dinner is on the way.